Já estamos aqui no carro, a caminho de Ubud. Yes?
Yes.
Going to
Now,
Ubud.
now we're going to Ubud.
To Ubud.
Only around Ubud, yeah.
Yes. How many kilometers?
From here,
Yes.
per kilometer, I think 30.
30 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yes. In Denpasar.
In Denpasar, I don't know, but in Bali, 4,500,000 population in Bali.
Bali 4 milhões e meio.
Yeah, but in Bali we have 9 regency.
Ok. A portagem. We are in Ubud already. Yes.
Yes.
The region of Ubud.
Yeah.
Já.
Já chegamos?
Não, não é Ubud, é a região. Vamos lá visitar a plantação de café que tem estes bichinhos que comem o café, cagam o café e o café é o mais caro do mundo. Vamos aqui.
Just gonna take you inside.
Eles são quase escoceses, usam saias.
So this is how the coffees grow.
Yes. That's,
These are the beans. That's where you get the coffee from. But they're not ready. They're not even big enough.
yes.
So we have two different types, which is the Arabica and Robusta. This is the Arabica, what most people drink. And then that bigger one is the Robusta.
This is coffee as well.
Yes. Those are all the beans there. I think it's 2 or 3 months to go. It has to be red before we can pick. And the red bean is what the animal eats because it's sweet. Around and eat the beans of the tree. Then every morning we just walk around and collect all the poop. So we pick up from the ground. Did you know that coffee? The one
Yes,
from the
yes,
animal?
yes. I knew already. I knew, but I never tasted.
Oh, I
but
see. So what makes it so special? Because you know the beans are not the main food of them. So that's why when they eat the beans, they just want to pick the good one, which is the reddest and the sweetest beans. And if it's not sweet enough, they're not gonna eat any beans. They will go for other fruit, such as bananas or papaya. So this is how we're trying to keep them on the farm. We need to grow those fruits as well. It's like quality control. But that is not the only coffee that we have, because you know sometimes that poop is rare. Sometimes we could only get that much. So we also produce just the regular coffee, but with different flavors. One of the flavor is the ginger.
ginger.
We get the root and we have to roast them along with the beans, then grind it all together. That's how we put the flavor. Ginseng, the stuff that you get in bee drink or Red Bull. See that with the one with the little flower?
Yes.
The one that we use is the root. And then vanilla, see the vine?
Yes.
Where you get the podge. And it's so many other flavors. We also have coffee with the coconut as well as avocado. Then you will get to try every single one of them. As well as tea. But the tea that we have here is not from the leaves. So we make tea from lemongrass, from ginger, curcuma, and we also make tea from this flower. We call it butterfly tea. We call them luwak. And that's how we call the coffee.
Então, o animal que come o café, caga o café.
He was one of the rescued ones. We were trying to release him, but he won't leave from here because he get very well fed.
So, e esse fedidir
What
de...
name?
Luwak,
Luwak.
yes, they're still related to raccoon, mongoose, or possum. But if you feed them with the beans, they're not gonna eat it. They just want to pick the beans by themselves. So this is exactly what we pick it up in the morning.
That's...
And they don't even smell like poop, because what they eat is the fruit and beans. But we have to wash them, dry them in the sun for like 3 to 5 days, and it's become like this. Then after this, we need to remove the shell and get the beans out, which means the beans are safe. It doesn't even touch the poop because they're covered, but they still got another husk. That's why we need to wash them again, dry them, we roast them for 1 hour. put them in there. That's how do we grind it. We just smash them, and we have to get them out. And we get them out.
Já cheira a café. It smells now.
Yeah, you can have a smell.
Yeah, we can feel the smell. Yes.
So this is the pin. Have a smell.
Agora vamos provar os cafés.
Ginger coffee and ginseng coffee, and you have to remember that today we don't have any durian, so we have to jump to the avocado, which is this coffee.
Yes.
Then the next one is the tea. We'll start it from the mangosteen. So mangosteen is a fruit, but we make the tea from the skin of the fruit. And then the second one is lemon tea, herbal tea from the curcuma, ginger tea, lemongrass, rosella flower or hibiscus, and then the butterfly tea, the blue flower that we saw there. Then the last two is the hot chocolate and mochaccino. So it's
Okay.
only that coffee, and this one has no sugar. Other coffee with brown sugar, but all the tea with honey. And if you don't mind, try a little bit of the luwak coffee
Yes.
first, and
Yes.
then compare to the normal coffee.
Ok.
And enjoy your drink, please.
Thank you. Este é o café do bichinho que caga. E aqueles são os outros cafés todos que já não me lembro o que é. Sentado ao lado aqui de uma plantação de arroz. Olha aí o musal. Já está com espiga. Vamos lá aqui para a selva dos macacos. E aqui tudo se paga. Até para ver os macacos a gente paga. A Abigail está a dar a comer aos peixes.
A concorrência aqui é grande.
Bom, vamos lá ver os macacos.
Just be careful, yeah, about your sunglasses and then what you taking. Take care, yeah.
Estrada na Monkey Forest. Já os macacos já estão a aparecer. Né?
That's you.
Ele já roubou os lenços de papel.
E ele é bem dotado, tá vendo?
É. Vamos almoçar aqui. Feito de bambu. Tudo feito de bambu. 2 people, please. 2 people. Estamos nos terraços de arroz, os famosos terraços de Ubud, que até para olhar para o terraço a gente tem que pagar.
E que é lindo. Vamos, diga-se de passagem, é lindo.
artesanatos de madeira, de vidro, de tudo. Todas as lojas têm artesanato.
Because
Sabes?
your first time using your rent.
Aqui
dress.
temos mais uma coisa para levar dinheiro ao povo.
Yeah, very
E a
beautiful.
Abigail está doida para
E a
gastar.
Abigail está doida para ir gastar.
In over there
Ai, que
until
legal.
over there.
Ah, mas é bom com aquela roupa toda lá, ó.